Haha, you're a cute one. Do you like squeaky toys?
Oh, buddy.
Panda, say I love you.
Daisy! Hi! Oh god.
You got this, Travis. Make him wait for it. Boom.
Quelle surprise la seconde boulangerie du jour réserve-t-elle à notre jury?
What are you doing?
Max, come here. Come here, boy.
Don't you yell at your mother. You think that's funny?
Ready? Ready? Okay.
Misty, blink once if you're Hitler. Oh my god!
The prophecy is true.
Are you mad at me? No.
There's a turtle outside school this morning. How turtle? Oh my god.
I've been really trying.
Hey, I told you too. Hey, hey, hey.
Charlie, you got the babies? No, be nice to the babies, Charlie. Ah! Charlie!
Kaiser. Smile. Show me your smile. Smile. Oh, so handsome.
With me.
Where's the catnip?
All around me are familiar faces.
Sniff. Bark. Bork. Brork. Heck.
On all levels except physical, I am a wolf.